There. Today we're gonna talk about a spark plug cleaner. Oh, I know it's not worth cleaning some spark plugs because they are cheap as they can be, but sometimes it's easier to clean and recycle. Now we have this sandblasting unit. Here we have the sandblasting powder inside of it, and here in this hole we stick the spark plug. It's a rubberized valve, and here behind we have a small lever valve to open or close the valve, so it either sprays sandblasting material or it doesn't. Here we have a small valve to push to let in the air. Okay, so let's start it up and we'll see what happens. There will be some sound, so don't worry, it's normal. Open the valve, and while doing this, preferably you turn a bit this spark plug. I pause the video because there is compressor to on, and I'll show you the results. Okay, I'll continue this to the end. I took the spark plug out, and as you can see, it's not brand new, but there is a huge improvement from before. All the soot from the burnt oils are removed, and the spark plug has a new shine. It's important to put some compressed air in the cap so any sand particles will get out and will not cause any harm to the motor. Okay, simple as that. It's a small ingenious product which will help reduce and reuse our litter. Thank you.